Hey, Ben here from Mind Over Muscle, just giving you a quick video on myfitnesspal. So once you've downloaded the app, we're going to click sign up. We're going to sign up with an email address. We're going to click any goal here. We're going to click any activity here because I'm going to be changing your macros anyway. We're then going to select your gender, input your birth date, and we don't have to worry about a location. We're going to input your height. So I'm going to just stick mine in there. We're going to input your weight, which I'm going to change to kilos. So I know mine a bit better in kilos. You can do the same either way around. We're going to input your email address. So we're going to go with this one for me. We're then going to input a password where I'll just use my name simply. There, we're going to create a username. And we're going to click that you've read the terms and conditions. That's going to set you up with your account. Just going to take a few seconds to do that. There we go. So then we can accept these and done. Hopefully that's now going to set the app up for us and we can get started with inputting some foods. So the next part, I'm going to show you how to input those foods, and I'll show you how to make it a meal, and then you can just record it each time. So it will give you your goal here, but like I said, if you're working with me, I'm most likely going to change this goal for you. So let's click start tracking. So we don't need to learn more now because I'm going to teach you all of this. Checks my email. Cool, we're going to go breakfast here, so we can search for a food. What did I eat? So this morning I had some bacon. Simple, let's type that in there. So if you weigh your food out and you know that, then we can go on to one like this one, and we can say, right, serving size, and you can change the size here. So if you think, right, I know my bacon was 26 grams, we're going to save this and say, right, we had 26 portions of 1 grams of bacon, meaning there we go, that's now 26 grams of bacon in our diary for breakfast. There we go. Don't want to go premium, we don't really need to do that. 1 gram, done. 26 servings of that. There we go. So you can see here that's 8.7 grams of fat and 8.7 grams of protein. Save that into the breakfast. Done. We've had 116 calories. So that's been taken off the total number at the top there in green. You can go into add more items. So as well with that, I had a piece of brown toast. So we can type in bread, anything like that. You can see there is a ton of options here for you to add into there. I'm simply going to go with bread wheat. I'm going to go 1 slice. Done. Save. Inputted there. Another 77 calories come off of there. I'm going to input that I had some butter with it as well. The amount of butter I had was around about 2 tablespoons, so we can stick that onto there too. Another 190 calories off. Next up, we can click this little button here. We're going to go save meal. So you can save this meal as breakfast number 1. Done. Okay, so visit your meals. You can see here that's a saved one. Next up, we can go back, go into tomorrow. So for tomorrow, we're thinking, right, what could we have? We're going to go breakfast 1 again. Done. Simply put in there, we can make any sorts of meals up that you enjoy. You can work out the calories, make the meal, and then save them into wherever you want to have them. Last little bit, we're going to take a look at your macronutrient breakdown. So here, when we click the pie chart, you can see your total breakdown here for that. We can click your goals and see how the breakdown is. So at the moment, my carbohydrates are at 378, proteins at 151, and fats at 101. Now, if you're working with me, I'm probably going to change these around a little bit. So we can go with changing the calorie goal to whatever I have told you. So let's say that's 2,800. We're then going to have a small adjustment here on the carbs, protein and fats from myfitnesspal, but then again we're going to go in and we're going to see to change the percentages to what I have given you. So if we go to 40% carbs, 25 to 30, maybe 30% protein, we're going to see a change up here. So get it as close as you can to the macronutrients that I've given you by adjusting these percentages around, okay? Then what also you can do is purchase the premium version, which will allow you to do exact grams. Okay, I don't think that you have to do that, because you can get as close as you can here with the percentages and then just work it out at the end of the day by looking at them. Done. Cool, that's my goals set there. So then we can see the calories changed here, and I can go back to my diary and the calories have changed here. Okay, that's about it for the diary part. The next part I would like you to do is click on the little burger at the top there. We're going to go down to friends. We're going to go to this button and we're going to add a friend through email. This friend's going to be me. So you're going to type in my email address here, and you're then going to put in your name, send over the invitation, and that's going to give me an invitation to accept your friend request. Okay, once you have done that, I would like you to go back to your settings again. We're going to go to diary settings here. We're going to go down to diary sharing, and you're going to click with friends, so then I can see your diary. Okay, the goal of that is for me to be able to keep you accountable. If I can see exactly what you're putting into MyFitnessPal, then we can have a bit of a chat about it in our check-ins. Okay, that's about it for MyFitnessPal. If you've got any other questions, feel free, drop me a message. Thanks, have a good day.